Your goals are important, and you shouldn't have to sacrifice the specifications you need to perform your reliability and quality testing. At Associated Environmental Systems, we specialize in custom test chambers that fit your specific needs.
My name is Tyler Bradley. I am on the sales team here at AES, and it's my job to recognize your goals and get you a customized chamber solution that will meet your strictest requirements. Today, we're highlighting a biotech company with very specific needs.
And because you as a customer are a vital part of the design and build process, drawing approvals, customer walkthroughs, and check-ins are always encouraged.
Here at AES, building a custom chamber is easy from the beginning. The engineering team sits down and works together to create the custom chamber and meet all requirements set forth by the customer. This makes the design and creation process seamless.
You have hundreds of environmental test chambers across multiple manufacturers to choose from. How do you choose a company you can trust? Associated Environmental Systems has the flexibility and engineering know-how, combined with decades of manufacturing custom and standard test chambers. And our proven design methodology is sure to give you the test chamber you need. Starting with our sales team to capture the specs and standards required to build your custom chamber. You're then assigned a dedicated engineer to ask questions and outline all constraints. Engineering does the proper research to understand the complexity of the customization. Mechanical, refrigeration, and electrical engineers join together to imagine a potential solution.
Hi, I'm Michael Conti. I'm Director of Mechanical Engineering here at AES. After receiving the order, the engineering team will come together and review the requirements of the customer. From there, the engineering team will design and fabricate every component specifically for that chamber in-house. Your requirements, along with the outside factors, are always under consideration.
So that's where I come in as a mechanical engineer to research, imagine, and create custom-fitted solutions for every requirement. Once you approve the drawing, engineering works with production to build your chamber. Your custom test chamber needs will be considered through the entire design and build process. You will get a hands-on approach by working with sales and engineering to understand your application and requirements.
The chamber is then tested to every standard configuration, as well as every custom setting required. Once the chamber is delivered to your facility, our service team is there to help set up, troubleshoot, and recalibrate your chamber for years down the road. The example in this video includes custom options such as magnetic safety door lock to run uninterrupted tests during incubation, a newly designed fan blade to reduce turbulent airflow within the chamber, and a seamless front controller face and reconfigured inner wrap without crevices to maintain complete sterilization of the chamber. At AES, we understand that your goals are important,